pants.
There's Olivia's pants. This is a chicken breast left over from dinner. I'm going to use it in a couple different ways in lunches for tomorrow.
Okay.
So Pants Girl wants a quesadilla, so I got some cheese and some beans, and why not put some chicken chunks in it of that leftover chicken? And I thought that'll be good. What do you think, Pants Girl?
No.
No, oh great. For Oscar, I've taken the chicken, cut it up, and given him some barbecue sauce, which he loves. And 30 seconds later, I've got some spaghetti, some pasta or whatever with sauce, and I've got some barbecue sauce and chicken. Oscar likes to dip it in. He's halfway done. So I was just going to be all like, you know, super efficient and make a quesadilla with some leftover chicken in it, but for Olivia, but then I realized she had made her own lunch, and like, it looks great, you know. She got some leftover pasta, she put some fruits and stuff, some like Baby Bell cheese and cookies and M&Ms. I don't know where she found those. And I'm thinking, kind of sad that she made her own lunch, and I was gonna make one, but that's cool. That's really cool. She can make her own lunch. Still kind of sad. So I just asked Elliot if he would like a chicken quesadilla, and he said no, he doesn't like quesadillas. So I said, would you like pizza? Oh yeah. He said he would like pizza. I'm like, do you want chicken on your pizza? No, he doesn't like chicken on his pizza. So I made myself a pizza for lunch tomorrow. It's a nice chicken barbecue. So this is Olivia's lunch. She said she had muffin, fruit. These are some homemade burritos, just tortilla with some refried beans in them. This is Elliot's lunch. He's got a muffin, some fruit, and more fruit, more fruit. I gave him extra lots of fruit because we had lots of fruit, and a burrito. Oscar hasn't been eating his sandwiches lately. So like I said, Oscar hasn't been eating his sandwiches lately, so I thought maybe some cheese and crackers, and he likes just plain tortillas, which is fine, whatever. Because he's got lots of fruit and some vegetables, and that's yogurt with blueberries and a muffin. And Elliot had yogurt with blueberries, and I was just about to, I was going to close it up and everything, and I was like, what's that? Like, what's all this around the edge? Gross. I'm going to pop that open and see what's in there. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. You have to kind of pop it up with a knife. Okay, that is just so gross. Oh, we need to wash this sucker. I don't know what was in it last time, but didn't get washed well. So that's my tip. Check for gasket gunk before you put your lids together. That's my tip of the night, Oscar. Check for gasket gunk. Oh, you gonna help? Thanks. This is Monday nights. This is made of fruits, plain yogurt, because Oscar likes just plain yogurt, some leftover carrots that were boiled. They're kind of squishy, but he likes them like that. A cactus-shaped sandwich, which is made of this honey ham. It was 50 cents. I don't usually feed them this, but it was only 50 cents, and it's easy. And Elliot has a very similar lunch. So the lunch I've assembled today is a nice selection of fruit. That's a pasta salad with some feta and cucumbers and tomatoes and olives, and a Greek dressing Jen made. It was actually our dinner, along with some chicken fingers, which we had left over, so I just put it in the kids' lunch. And look at this nice muffin. It's got raisins in it and some chocolate chips. And this is cottage cheese. And they all have a very similar lunch. It's late. We are at baseball, which is why leftovers worked awesome tonight. Ah, the Bartlett pear. Elliot, you like pears? Do you like the Bartlett pear? Let me tell you all about it. Ah, the Bartlett pear, also referred to as the Williams pear, and sometimes in rare occasions, the European pear. It's your classic pear shape. It is often eaten raw, but does keep its form when cooked. So Jen made these wonderful from-scratch banana muffins. Hell yeah, it must be B-Day tomorrow. You've got your Bartlett pears and your banana muffin. Yes, this is Elliot's lunch. I gave him lots of nacho chips, some vegetables, and some fruit. He's having chili, that's why he's having nacho chips. I don't usually send nacho chips. Or chips in general on lunch, but with chili, it's okay. It's okay.
Having taquitos in our lunch.
Taquitos. If you don't know what taquitos are, they're Mexican. They got crispy shell. They got cheese and chicken in them. Quite delicioso. And Elliot is having another delicioso pogo.